coming across as we talk about elections, the upcoming elections in the state of Punjab. What is being said that the sealing of alliance will be done today. The formal announcement is likely today at around 11:30 a.m. between the BSP and the Shiromani Akali Dal. Let me straight away go across to Amandeep, who is joining us live this morning. Good morning to you, Amandeep. Where before, in the past, the Shiromani Akali Dal has already been in an alliance with the BSP. But looking at the current situation, because the Akali Dal has already separated from the BJP as part of the NDA, but the Congress troubles also seems to mount. We know that Captain Amrinder Singh has been in the national capital to appear before the probe panel. Navjot Singh Sidhu has too been called to Delhi. So how are the equations really looking like if the sealing of the alliance will be made, the announcement which is likely today between the BSP and the SAD?
Very good morning, Amita, and in fact today's morning is very surprising and shocking when Shiromani Akali Dal is going to join the hands with Bahujan Samaj Party. That is a very new alliance in the state of Punjab, just because 6 months have been left for the assembly elections. So now the political movements has been started in the state of Punjab, and even this alliance, since the Shiromani Akali Dal disassociate themselves from the NDA and from the BJP, so they were looking for a particular alliance just because there is a specific region where the Akali Dal was always lacking by their seats and the vote bank. And in fact, after analyzing 2019 general elections, and they have analyzed that BSP has a very impressive vote share in the Doaba region of Punjab. So that is the reason they decided to join hands with Mayawati, and even the BSP is the party in the state of Punjab who always concentrate on the Dalit vote bank. And this general elections, they have gathered a lot of support from the Dalit community in Punjab, and even now the Shiromani Akali Dal and BSP going to contest together. And if we talk about the seat sharing manner, the 18 to 20 seats will be given to the BSP in the state of Punjab out of 117. Rest all will remain with the Akali. So Akali Dal would be the biggest party in this alliance, and even this is something new for the Akali Dal as well, just because without alliance with any party, Akalis were not able to establish their grounds in 2022 assembly elections. And on the other side, they are also trying to concentrate, they are trying to gather the support that is breakdown from the Congress party after witnessing the entire tussle inside the party, that is Navjot Singh Sidhu versus Captain Amrinder Singh. So all the hands are on to that, just because Akalis in 2017 were not able to prove themselves in the opposition as well. So now they are making their all efforts to come into the government in 2022, and that is the reason they are making this alliance. And today at 11:30, Shiromani Akali Dal President Sukhbir Singh Badal, along with
the point there, Amandeep, because Shiromani Akali Dal chief has also been speaking to Republic, and he has clearly ruled out any pre-poll or any post-poll alliance with the BJP. He says we have nothing got to do with the BJP anymore. So that is why they are looking for an alliance with other parties just like the BSP.
Amita, this is the beauty of the politicians. First they release the statement, then they take the U-turn. Initially, Akali Dal says we contest alone in 2022. We don't need any kind of alliance since they disassociate themselves from the NDA. And now when they have seen the ground reality of the Akali Dal, where they are lacking, so they have decided to join hands with BJP. Just because the Akali Dal has not made any impressive outcome in 2019 general elections or in 2017 assembly elections. In 2019, Akali Dal is having only 2 seats in Punjab. That is Harsimrat Kaur Badal and Sukhbir Singh Badal. Both are from the Badal family. Neither they will be able to prove in the other assembly segments. So that is the reason. So they have decided to pull down the Congress in any way. And even they have decided that since the BJP seat share was with Akali Dal, that is around 23, but now So the same seat share would be given to the BSP, and that is the specific reason from where the BJP contest for the Akali Dals. That region will be concentrated, that region will be focused by the BSP only. And in 2019, the way
both parties, the Shiromani Akali Dal and even as the BSP are trying to revive their vote share in Punjab, and that is how we're looking at this forming of an alliance, a very unlikely alliance. But these two parties coming together just before the Punjab elections are announced. At 11:30 a.m., we are expecting the announcement to be made. Amandeep, keep us updated on the same when the announcement will be made. Thanks very much for the moment for joining us.